Hey GlamFam, it's Alison, Alexandria. So you guys, what I'm going to do is do some prep work for Alexandria's hair. Alexandria and her dad have a daddy-daughter dance to go to. I'm so excited. So I'm going to get her hair shampooed, conditioned, and blow it out. And I'm going to put a little heat on it. Let me show you what I'm going to be using. Oops. So I'm going to be using Shea Moisture's Mango Nugget. And I like this because her hair is usually dry all the time. So this is really nice. It's really good. Keeps her hair nice and moisturized. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and start the prep work, get her started, and Linwood's going to finish her out. All right? All right, so you guys, I got my jojoba oil. It's really good for detangling. I'm going to go ahead and just put that all through her hair. And make sure that you guys don't use too much of this while the hair is still wet. It can kind of be overdone. I've got my color comb there for parting. I'm going to go ahead and get her sectioned off. And I'm going to add a little bit more oil on this end here. It's good for shine too and moisture. Go ahead and part it out and go ahead and detangle. Kind of stretch the hair out a little bit. And as I'm blow drying, I'm going to go ahead and use my demi to go ahead and detangle and get this hair dry and stretched out as well. So basically, when you're doing this, you don't have to use so much pressure, so much anything when you're flat ironing the hair. This one right here has a direction nozzle on it. So this is a little bit better because I'm able to focus really on the area that I want to blow dry and get real smooth. Can you guys see how smooth that's getting? That shine is just there. So also, just remember that when you're going to go ahead and start flat ironing the hair, you section in small sections. I'm just going to go ahead and get to the root of this a little bit. And at the ends, I'm going to use that chase method to make it look really smooth and really nice. And I'm going to continue this all over. So she is just gonna love this. This is gonna be so nice. If you don't take small sections, then the hair is not gonna get as smooth and it's not gonna be as silky. All right, you guys, so I've gone ahead and flat ironed her hair. This is just a prep work, like I said, for her upcoming fashion statement at this daddy-daughter's ball. How do you like your hair, Zan?
Very pretty.
Very pretty. I don't know if you guys can see everything here. Okay, I'm gonna hold it up just a little bit so you guys can see it. Alright.
Alright, Glam Fam, so I am retouching on Alexandria's hairline just because it's been a couple of days since her hair was flat ironed by Alison, and we want to make sure that it's not looking crazy because Zan is a bit reckless with washing her face. So we're going to smooth these babies out, and then from there I'm going to begin braiding. So I'm parting from ear to ear across the top of the head just through the crown, and we're going to pull that front section forward. The other section will be back, and right now I'm just kind of going through and weaving out the hairline portion. I'm gonna leave these as little curls that kind of hang out, so I don't want to do solid pieces, but just small pieces is fine. From there, I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly braid those together just so they're out of my way. It's easier than using clips because you would end up using like 6 baby clips. They'd be all in her eyes. I'd have to fight her. It'd just be too much. So from here, I'm gonna go ahead and begin by Dutch braiding or underhand braiding, cornrowing, whatever you want to call it. But honestly, the method I'm using is more of a Dutch braid. And we're going to do it around her head in a halo type fashion. Now, you don't want to get this extremely tight, but you do want to have it secure. So just make sure you're paying attention to doing small subsections and you should be good to go. From there, I'm just going to continue this across the top of the head and around through the sides and the back. You'll get a close-up here in just a moment because I know it's a little difficult to see from this angle. So from here, we're just going to go ahead, same thing, but hopefully here you can see a little bit better, and you can see how much bigger this braid has gotten, as well as the size of the sections that I've sectioned off for you to be able to see those curls that I'll have out. We'll come across the back as you see here, And we're just continuing. Don't worry about that neckline. I am going to hit that with the flat iron and put some little curls in that too, just so it's looking like she's loved from the back as well. And then once we finish, we'll go ahead and braid all the way down to the ends of the hair and loosely put a rubber band on the ends. Emphasis on loosely. From here, we're going to begin to fan that braid out, and it will end up looking like you're seeing here. So just lightly fanning the outsides. By the way, if you need a full tutorial on this, I have one, so be sure to check that out. I'll link it in the eye in the top right corner. We're just gonna do that all the way around her head, as you see here. Then from there, I'm going to take the end of this braid and tuck it up underneath the portions that are fanned, and we're going to pin it in place with an open-ended hairpin. You can use bobby pins too if you like for more security, but honestly, I didn't need them for what I was doing because I want everything to stay light and airy looking. From there, I'm just going to do a bit of positioning, and we'll go ahead and unbraid that front portion that we weaved out, and I'm just going to hit it with the flat iron to put these curls in here. I feel like this is kind of what sets the look apart and what gives it that really girly look that makes it wonderful for a dance or a special occasion. And we're going to do that same thing across her neckline. And there you have it. This is her finished look. Let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. And of course, here we are. All right, Glam Fam. So we are all finished with this look. And let's see here. Zan, can you show them the little boutonniere thing your mom made you? So mom made that. Mom also made this. And mom made the earrings. So yeah. Here, come on back here. Right there. Alright, show us your dance moves for the dance. What's your dance moves gonna be? That's pretty. I'm gonna dance like this.
Dad.
Like this.
Bad baby.
I'm gonna dance like that. I'm gonna dance like this. It's gonna be great.
Dad, you don't dance at the ball like that.
You dance like this?
No.
How do you dance?
Like twirling the girls around.
Oh, okay. There's so many rules. Yeah, so you guys can see Zan's dress. It's one of her favorites. She wore it for Christmas, for the fashion show, for all sorts of stuff. So, yeah. And today, we are wearing it for our ball. Mm-hmm.
Because I really like it.
Because she really likes it. Alright, you guys, so until next time, take care, God bless, and stay glam.
Bye.
Bye. You know we love you, boo.
Are you excited about the ball?
Yes.
Are you excited about dancing with Daddy? So what do you think is going to be the best part of the night?
Eating with Daddy.
All right.
I think the best part's gonna be all the embarrassing dances I do.
Worse to me.
It's gonna be better to you. It's gonna be amazing.
Worst.
All right. I'll see you guys when you get back.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, baby. I love you.
Love you too.